Hey kids, so I've been learning to sketch and recently I learned a new technique called the isometric sketch technique. This technique is used to draw 3D objects on flat surfaces. To draw an isometric sketch, we need a paper that is divided into small equilateral triangles made up of lines or dots. This is called an isometric dot sheet. Let's draw an isometric sketch of the cube in front of us. Its dimensions are 4 units by 4 units by 4 units. This means each of its sides measures 4 units. Note that the measurements of an object in its isometric sketch will always be equal to or proportional to its actual measurements. Let's start by drawing the front face of the cube. For this, we'll draw a square of side 4 units on the isometric dot sheet. In our next step, we'll draw 4 parallel line segments measuring 4 units each, starting at the 4 corners of the square we just made. In our third step, we'll connect the matching corners with the appropriate line segments. And what we have here is an isometric sketch of our cube. Note that the isometric sketches are usually drawn using a 30-degree angle to show the third dimension, that is, depth, of the 3D objects. Thus, the isometric sketch technique helps us draw 3-dimensional shapes of proportional measurements. Now I'm going to draw a few more isometric sketches, and so should you. See you next time.